Welcome to One Northern Breeze Cres, an epitome of luxury living at its finest. This striking corner home constructed of elegant stone and brick is brimming with over $140,000 in exclusive upgrades. Prepare to be captivated as you step through the entrance, greeted by the grandeur of soaring 11-foot smooth ceilings, an atmospheric three-way fireplace, and an irresistible flow of natural light streaming through a highlighted feature of oversized windows. This opulent mansion offers 4 spacious bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms spread over a substantial 3,138 square feet living space. Undeniably tasteful, it displays polished hardwood flooring throughout the main and second floors, including all bedrooms. The oak stairs adorned with wrought iron pickets, spanning from the basement to the second floor, add a touch of old-world charm. Taste the potential in the partially finished basement with an inviting separate entrance and an increased ceiling height, offering bountiful opportunities for customization. Meanwhile, your culinary dreams are set to come true in the expansive eat-in kitchen, lavishly upgraded with granite countertops, a commodious island, and sleek built-in stainless appliances. The kitchen space comes alive under the shine of 24 inches x 24. Upgraded tiles and offers ample storage opportunities with the huge pantry. Ascending upstairs, the breathtaking 10-foot ceilings continue to impress. A large den transforms into an aesthetic gallery, complete with a contemporary built-in desk and matching shelving, perfect for a peaceful retreat or engaging workspace. The primary suite is a masterpiece in itself, entered through double doors. It boasts luxurious his and hers closets along with a stunning 5-piece ensuite bathroom featuring a seamless glass shower, a statement-making oval freestanding bathtub, his and hers sinks, and carefully chosen upgraded flooring. The other bedrooms are equally appealing with semi-ensuite and Jack and Jill washroom facilities, showcasing the thoughtfulness in the design for better accessibility. Embrace the curb appeal of this marvelous residence with an interlocking brick driveway contributing to an impressive and welcoming entrance to this palatial abode. The home doesn't just offer exquisite features, it delivers an enhanced lifestyle, a statement of sophistication, and room for personalization. The elegant layout of One Northern Breeze Cres is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, with subtle touches that elevate it into a class of its own. Each element beautifully contributes to the grace and warmth experienced within its walls. From the high-end features to the seamlessly flowing floor plan and stunning finishes, this home offers unparalleled luxury. Every aspect of this graceful property radiates a tranquil sophistication that strikes the perfect balance between modern luxury and timeless charm. Don't miss the unrivaled opportunity to immerse yourself in the grandeur and comfort that this luxurious home offers. It's not just a home, it's an elegant lifestyle awaiting its new owners.